Unlock the full power of your communication strategy with the intuitive Plivo Web interface. Let's dive into navigating your Plivo Web account. Upon logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, your central hub to your left. You'll find the primary navigation menu. This is your gateway to all Plivo's powerful features. For instance, the voice section is where you'll manage your call flows and phone numbers, while messaging is dedicated to SMS and MMS campaigns need to top up your account. Look for billing for all your financial transactions. Next, let's explore configuration. Click on Numbers under the Voice or Messaging menu here. You can see all the phone numbers you've acquired. Select a number to configure its behavior for voice calls. You can set up voice apps to route incoming calls to specific endpoints or play welcome greetings for messaging. You can associate SMS URLs to handle incoming messages by triggering specific actions. Crucial to your integration are your API credentials. Find these under your account settings. Your Auth ID and Auth token are like your digital keys, granting your application secure access to the Plivo platform. Keep these confidential and use them when connecting your own software to Plivo services. Finally, let's look at some key features. The call logs and message logs sections provide detailed histories of all your communication activities. You can filter these logs by date, type, and status to track performance and troubleshoot any issues. Don't forget to explore the Applications section to build and manage your custom communication workflows, connecting voice and messaging features seamlessly. The Plivo Web interface is designed for ease of use, putting powerful communication tools directly at your fingertips. Explore, experiment, and elevate your communication game.